What's going on, everybody? What's happening? Hey, happy Friday, my friends. Market is down 12. Hopefully, you're doing well. Yesterday, down here, I live in Texas. Oh my gosh. The storms were crazy. Fucking roads flooded. They canceled schools. Absolutely nuts. So, for those of you that are new to the channel, what's up? My name is Jeff. I've been in the financial industry for over 28 years, securities licensed, managed a lot of money. Wrote a book, left that, started trading about 16 years ago, primarily option trading, actually 18 years ago. Option trading is my specialty. Y'all watch a lot of my videos, squeeze trades, flag trades, breakouts, stuff like that. I have a school and a course where I teach option trading, but I've been trading ES for 5 years. And this year, I got introduced to Apex prop firm trading. Didn't know anything about that. Didn't even know you could do that. I know. Sounds stupid, right? So anyway, sit back, relax. If you want to join our school or check out the option course, it should be in the description. All right, let me let the members of the course inside. So sit back, relax. Let's get to work. All right. Market opens up in about 3.5 minutes. Just make sure everything is set up, good to go. This market has been on crack. A lot of crack, actually. What's going on, Mitch? What's up, Mitch? Oh, man, what's happening, brother? Here we go, buddy. Here we go. Okay, market's on crack, right? Shit, dude. Let me see. What do we have today? 7:30, we had the core PCE price index. After that, I think we're good. So let's see if this market can do something today, right? It's been pretty tricky, man. It's been boring. Like you said, patience, man. Fuck. Let me tell you something. I'm not used to trading in the afternoon. I've been trading this ES for about 5 years, but only in the damn morning. Like, that's it. I traded the morning, and then that was it. But since I got these damn Apex accounts, I feel like I have to trade in the afternoon. Fuck. It's a whole different animal, man. It's so boring. And when you get bored, what do, right? You fucking over trade. God, I mean, I know I could just trade in the morning. I don't know. We'll see. Hey, that's awesome. You went golfing, dude. Down here, it stormed. Every road was flooded. It was insane. We had tornadoes. Schools were all closed today. It was awful. And I was driving in it. I got stuck out in that crap with a tornado, like, warning going on. It was insane. It was so bad. I'm not going to lie. Yeah, it was so bad. So bad, bro. And then I was driving through the roads, and my car was low to the ground. And, I mean, it was awful. I can't even explain. There was cars that were floating away, like they were stuck and floating away. It was crazy, dude. What's up, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
Hey, there you are. You're back, man. You're back.
Mm-hmm.
Had a day off yesterday, or taking with your wife, or what?
Actually, we had to take the dog to the vet yesterday.
Oh, man. How's your dog doing?
It was just an annual checkup.
Okay, good. What kind of dog do you have?
We have a mini Aussie Doodle.
Oh, shit. That sounds intense.
Yeah, he's a herder, so he is
intense. Okay. Do you have sheep or something?
No, we just
like that dog.
Niece got one, and they had one puppy left, and she convinced us we needed a dog.
Why not, right? Why not, brother? That's great.
Right.
Wow. Well, glad you're back, man. Yesterday in the morning was good, but that afternoon still is a beast because it's so boring. And with boring comes over trading, and with over trading comes death.
Right.
I mean, I'm still trying to tackle that beast. I mean, in the afternoon, most of the time you just sit around and do nothing, but then you just become so bored. It's tricky. Well, I'll talk about it, but for me, that afternoon is tricky, bro.
That's why there's an off button on your charts.
I know. I know, dude. I know. God, trust me. I was telling Mitch because he was here a minute ago. We'll see how it goes, man. I mean, I might just, I don't know, dude. I don't want to just pack up and not trade in the afternoon, but I did it before. It worked out fine. We'll see. We'll see. You know, I was one of those. It's kind of like, oh yeah, you think you're gonna get me? I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, glad to be here. What's up, Brandon? What's up, Brandon? At least Mitch went golfing yesterday. I was telling him down here it rains so much. If y'all looked at Texas yesterday in South Texas, y'all would have saw it was a nightmare. It was an absolute nightmare. I think this VIX opens up in 1 minute, right? Good morning, brother. Let's see here. I always think for some reason it opens up 1 minute. One, go. Well, yeah, there it is. I don't know why it opens up 1 minute afterwards. That's weird. Anyway, let's see if the boredom. Actually, it's not boring in the morning. The morning is usually pretty good. But the afternoon is a damn monster. All right, so the VIX opened up. Market opened down. Ticks opened down. All right. Just going to start marking some stuff here. Y'all know what it is. All right. It's been a beast. Mitch said it perfect. Testing the patience. So. Charles posted his pivots, right? Up pivot is 57. Way the fuck up there. Down pivot is 25, so we're below that as well. Basically the 3-minute high. This first trade is tricky. It's been working, but, you know, it's like, I don't know why I feel so uncomfortable about this first trade. Even though it's been working, I don't know why I feel so fucking uncomfortable with it. 30 seconds left in this candle. I might have to remark it. Thing is, it goes so fast, man. At 5 seconds, ticks are down. Yeah, this first trade is difficult, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Breaking through that key level, ticks are negative. See if we can get a little bit of momentum here. All right. Here we go. That's what I like to see, baby. All right. I'm going to go flat. Man, it's like I took $75. Yeah, that first trade, man, it about $100 almost every time. 50, not much, but a little bit. You know what? Hang on, let me see. Disable something. Well, I'm glad I got out actually. $75. See this, man. This trade, I don't even know if it's worth it for me, man. $75 is $75, so I guess. No, John, I'm doing one mini. I'm doing 1 mini, brother. That's why it's a little bit more tricky. Yeah, it's a little bit more tricky because, you know, it's $50 a point. Shit. Goes crazy. It's tricky. I'm not going to lie. It's fucking tricky. Negative. We had a fake out. Well, it looks like we're going to have a fake out down here to the bottom. Nasty, right? This 3-minute trade is a difficult beast. But this candle closes in still 1 minute. Could fake us out. Well, not fake us out. I'm not in it. I mean, now we're coming up to test this. You got the VWAP. See if we can pop up through there. The candle still has a little bit to go. I'm going to go flat at $200. So I just made $200. I should have stayed in it, but I saw my P&L and I jumped out. So I made $75 one way, $200 the other way. So I'm up $275 right now. Shit, I should fucking just quit, dude. Fucking be happy. Damn, I should have stayed in the trade. I got crazy. I was going to get out there, but I got it. I mean, $275, I'll take it. Bam, I should have stayed. I would be up. I always say should have, right? Isn't that the name of the game? Oh, I should have did this. I should have did that. Well, I mean, I made a one to the downside and on one to the upside, so I'll take that. Good start. Really good start. Fuck. I should just quit. Fuck the afternoon. Just fucking quit, dude. Fuck. I've hit that trade 8 days in a row. It's fucking crazy. Why do anything else? You know, shit. All right. Let me reset. So we had a fake out here. You can see it, right? Traded below it. Buyer stepped in. Boom. Traded above it. Looks like sellers might step in. So that's the hard part. That's why I'm always like, I don't even want to go for many points, man. It's like I'm usually just going for $100, but by the time it moves so quick. So, all right. Now I'm gonna take a breath. I'm gonna wait, right? So that was a nice trade here, and a nice trade here. That's it though. Again, I've been getting beat up in the afternoon though. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This afternoon stuff is one I want to just. Oh God, look at that move up, right? That's beautiful. Yeah, there it is. That afternoon, I want to strangle the computer, man, sometimes in that afternoon. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so let me just do this now. Let me just reset the mind. Start marking some stuff over here. We are, I mean, believe it or not, 2 for 2, right? That's good. I can't believe that. I hate that, you know, it's like I'm always worried about that trade, but yet I've hit it like fucking 8 days in a row. What the fuck, dude? Maybe that should be the only trade I do. Every day, why not, dude? I'll be done. Fuck that. You need $100 to $200 a day. If you're copy trading 20, let's say you're copy trading 10 accounts. Let's say you're copy trading 10 accounts. And you just make, let's say $150 a day. 150 bucks. That's over $1,000. Shit, let's just say $100. Fuck it. That's $1,000 a day. Who the fuck isn't happy with that? I need to reset. I'd be done already. I would have been done every day. I wouldn't have to worry about the app. I could just like do what do you call it? Do simulation trading in the afternoon. If I just felt like I had to do it, just do like fucking sim trading. Fuck. That'll save me. I get so bored in that afternoon. It drives me insane. I feel like I should just sim trade in the afternoon. The morning, I've won like almost every fucking morning. That's the way I've been doing it though. Y'all know who been here, man. I've been trading this ES for a long time, only in the morning. I'm really comfortable in the morning. I was winning all the time pretty much. I mean, obviously we had losing days, but we'd be winning a lot. The only issue I had was I was only taking two. Yeah, like usually it averaged like 2-3 trades an entire week. Most of the time, just 2 trades a whole week. So, but I mean, if you're doing the ES and you're taking 2 trades a week, I mean, fuck, you know, that might be enough. That's why I went back to the ES right now, but then the afternoon totally destroys. Oh, well. I'm just kind of talking, right, to keep from trading, right? Just talk to keep from fucking doing something stupid. But I will take a 2-for-2 start any day of the week. All right, so we got another look at that. Oh shit, hang on, my phone's going. There's some warnings. Fucking flash flood warnings, dude. I'm telling you, dude, it was a nightmare yesterday. There's tornadoes in the areas. There was so much water. The roads, I have net in my life, dude. It was so crazy. So look what's happening here. Fake out, trap, and now we're coming back for more, right? No pun intended. So let's just keep watching. Ticks are down 73, 79. Look at that. It's coming back up, right? It just got done fucking trapping these bastards. And then he's coming back for more. This is where you got to watch out. I mean, you know there's sellers right here. What's up, Jason? What's up? Well, we are 2 for 2, right? We got that little pop, and we got that pop. So, I mean, I was telling Jason, I was telling them, I don't even know why I trade in the afternoon. I should just trade that first trade and be done for the day. Look at that. I told you. Look at these son of a bitches, dude. I don't know. That's it. How long you trade? Well, I trade fucking 5 minutes for the day. I'm done. Fuck that, dude. Ah. Oh well. All right. What does Charles always say on Fridays? Charles always says, "Nice start. 2 for 2." What does Charles always say on Friday? That 15-minute range will dictate the morning or something, or the 30-minute range. 31.25. Let's go. Let's mark. Just kind of marking stuff here. This candle closes pretty soon. Got to get on the move. Ah. Shit, it's closed. Damn it. Not fast enough, dude. All right, cool. All right. Software draws it, but I'm just not fast enough. All right, cool. There we go. Sorry. I'm just doing some shit. Just give me a second here. Right now, it's not doing much. I'm just trying to catch up on this son of a bitch. It's in the middle. Just don't mind me. All right. Okay. Good. All right, cool. All right, ticks are 313. Trapped in the middle. I'll tell you one of the things, though, about the afternoon. The only good thing about the afternoon, if there's anything, is you learn what not to do, right? You know, you have a plan going into the afternoon, and then you get so bored, so you break that plan. And then afterwards, you're like, yep, should have just stuck to the fucking plan. All right, let's see here what happens here. We're in the middle. We're market's down 22. Ticks are down 399. VWAMP. So we're trapped. We need momentum. Right? Period. No momentum. Nothing good happens. Right? We've had tricky. We came down. We threw a fake out. We went up. We threw a trap. It came back and then got another fake out. So this is really tearing people. Luckily, we were able to get 2 trades and just get in and out. But let me tell you, that 3-minute trade is not easy. Yeah, we've won 8 days in a row, but that son of a bitch is not easy, man. All right, let me go ahead and erase these lines. $375. If you just look at it, just look at it, right? It's absolutely doing nothing right this second. Again, let me look here. I don't think we have anything at 9. Revised consumer sentiment. It's a medium impact, but that's not going to affect me unless this price goes off the charts. Suddenly I'm not. Arendelles in deep, 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 deep snow. Notice though, right here, look, we're living inside this quadrant. 20. Remember, Charles's bias down pivot is 25. So during our AM session, right, the AM timing window, he calls it, he's going to trigger either bias down, bias up, or no bias. That dictates how he trades. You know, I do know Charles's system. I just don't know how he draws the pivots. So, Mitch, any luck? Were your pivots on point with him today? I know you said you were working on his pivots. Were your pivots lined up with his today? The closest me and Jason ever got was like 2 days. And then the third day completely blew away everything we thought we had figured out. And you know what? I hate to tell you this, but you're going to always be... I mean, come on, dude. Have you seen the Loch Ness Monster lately? You have a better chance of seeing the Loch Ness Monster. And that's not a lie. Like, you literally have a better chance of either wrestling Bigfoot or seeing the Loch Ness Monster than you do of figuring out that. If you figure it out, you will be... I mean, wow. You will be a legend. You'll be a legend just like Charles. Because Charles is a legend. We know that, dude. Charles, he trades this. He could probably close. Ow, fuck. I just hit my elbow. Fuck. Ah. Son of a bitch. I just smoked myself. Holy shit, that hurt. Ow, fuck. Yeah, no. Charles could probably trade this ES with his eyes closed. God damn, I just hit my elbow. That hurt. All right, this is not moving at the speed of light, right? Where's my boy Buzz Lightyear, right? We're not moving at the speed of light. Dude, my elbow hurts. Just fucking smoked my elbow. What the fuck? I should just take my 2 for 2 and call it a day. I'm up $275. Fuck, that hurt. All right, we are working our way down. Man, I can't even move my elbow. It hurts so bad. I just hit. I had this desk right, and I just drilled my elbow. Fuck, it hurts, actually. It hurts so bad, actually. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so let's watch. We're watching this key area, utilizing these ticks. Remember, though, we got to, we need momentum. So look at all your indicators, whatever you use. There's a big candle, but I'm not sure yet about it, dude. It could be a fake out or a trap. All right, so we're popping through. Be careful. Ticks are down. I'm going back to my morning, the way I always trade it in the morning, right? Going through. All right, let's see what happens. Fuck, my elbow hurts. Be careful. Market's down 29 ticks. Going back up. Watch out. We know there's sellers right here. Did close. Going back up. Might look for setup number 2, right? Setup number 2. Actually, ooh, bullish divergence. This is tricky. I didn't get in that trade because I didn't. Again, I'm looking at everything. I did not see the momentum that I wanted to see. So I never jumped in. Again, I'm going back to the way that I trade in my morning sessions. I was always very successful in the morning. Very successful. Thing of it is, the 30-minute range is about to set up, and that's kind of what really opens the floodgates. I am going to double up on 31.25. Again, this might go down, but that move right there was 5 points. That would have stopped me out. I'm going back to the morning. I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive than I was, but I am going back to the way I traded the morning. So I've been winning. Every fucking morning I've been winning. The afternoon has been destroying me, though. All right, we're moving down. It's a late break, though. Be careful. We got 3.5 minutes before this 30-minute range sets up. So I'm just going to back off. I didn't like there was not the explosion that I wanted to see. Got a bullish divergence. It's just weak momentum. Takes her down. Not a lot of juice, right? What the fuck? Sorry. Here we go. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm going to let this 30-minute here come. There we go. All right. All right. Let's see here. You know, the issue is our 30-minute range is about to set up. So I'm going to just, again, I did not see any momentum. So I backed off. I'm going back to the way that I was doing it earlier, but I'm changing it a little. Okay, I've been very successful every morning. The afternoon has been my disaster. $30 seconds. So let me do this real quick. I got to be on the move here. I'm going to get ready to type these VIX key levels. It's going to happen quick if it happens, guys. Whoa! Was that news? Wait a minute. It said it was an orange. What the fuck? Okay, so now we got to back off. Obviously, this right here, even though it says it's a medium impact, but you can tell by the candle, there was a lot of volatility. There's a lot of volatility in that move. So I told you, I don't mind the orange impact, but if I can see right there that it's crazy. Boom. Anyway, while we're watching really quick, I'm going to let this shake out for a couple minutes. For those of you on YouTube, hey, have a great weekend. For those of you inside the school, hang tight. We're nowhere near done. We're going to trade this for another 40 minutes plus. We're going to do our option trading, squeeze, flags, all that good stuff. If you want to join us on YouTube, if you want to join us here, check down below in the description. All right, let's just finish up here inside the room. It's going to be interesting. All right, off.